guys, Chris from Charged.Services again. Today we've already been and done a job in Billericay where we've gone and changed an intercom for one of our commercial customers that we look after. Today we're starting tomorrow's job, which is basically a complete overhaul of this gate system. It's got a very old Cam-A gate unit that stopped working. We've isolated the power, we're about to take off the unit. Basically this gate is a wrought iron sliding track gate. It has no current safety edges. The only safeties that are installed are these two photo cells on the outside. So this would stop, obviously if something comes through the gate, it would stop the gate from moving. However, there is quite a big, there's a big angle here that's not covered properly by the photo cell. So if a car was still part way in the gate, currently the sliding gate is going to come straight across, hit the side of the vehicle or the person that's in the way, and it's quite possible that you can stand here without even touching the photo cells or being in the gap. There's also another big risk here because the gate is barred and not slatted. Basically you could put your hand in and you could close the gate. There's a very sharp angle on the inside of this, and even just manually it hurts quite a bit just to hold that there. So if you as a postman or if you as a child decide to climb on it and someone open the gate, there's a severe risk of injury. So we're going to be installing safety edges on both sides, the inside and the outside, the end of the gate and the other end of the gate, to protect anyone from any sliding damage. Okay, so keep updated, we'll show you another video later once we've got some of the edges on. Hi guys, so Chris at Charged.Services. Today we're back at our gate that we started yesterday. You can see we've now put on some safety edges. We've got our new BFT motor in place. This is the DMOS 24 volt Ultra gate. This is a great little unit. We've now been fitting these for the last month or so, finding that they're really good to set up and really sort of reliable units with a 2-year warranty. So great product. What we've done now, we've already added 37mm safety edge profile. What this will do is, as the gate comes in, as we described about the photo cells, when this touches, if it either touches a person, it's a very light touch. Literally, you can almost feel the connection as you touch it just with a fingertip. That will stop the gate from moving and that will send it back in the other direction. What we've done with this, we're about to put on 2 more safety edges on the holes that are in the middle, and we're just putting on the one on the end. And then what we're going to do, we're going to start wiring this up shortly. We've still got to clean the track out on this gate because it is full of gun. But once we get this done and we'll get this rolling, we'll do another video this afternoon. So guys, we're almost there on this gate over in Grays. We've had to rewire everything. We've had to replace all the photo cells. There was some really weird wiring being used, so we've replaced it all with new Cat 5 external. We run new trunking in here as well, so it took a little bit longer than expected. But we've now got our motor running. We're just in the test phase, so we're just configuring the strength and the speed of the gate at the moment. We're going to do some amendments in a minute as well. Once we've finished with that, we're then going to get on to the next bit, which is getting our safety edges put onto it. We've fitted safety edges on the front, the rear, the pillars on either side, so you can't do anything with this gate without now stopping it from opening. We've got force limitation on the motor, so if I actually hold on to the motor and stop it going, it will back off in case obviously anything's hit it. We can then continue opening. We've got safety edges on the poles to prevent you from getting stuck in the gate. If you touch any of them, instantly the gate stops. We've got it on the far edge as well. One good example. The same thing happens. Also, we've now got photo cells working. The gate will stop. Continue as soon as we clear the photo cells. We'll close it again. We can stop the gate via the photo cell. Even if we clear it, like we said before, and the gate closes, we've got the edge. Instant back off. And now the gate is safe. So thanks again. If you're interested in getting your gate fixed, please get in touch.